Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker with RJO Futures with morning comments on stock index. I always give the word of the day. The word of the day is going to be central banks throughout the globe. What do we have? Big events coming up. We have the United States with the Federal Reserve making an announcement tomorrow, two-day meeting. They're already chit-chatting on what to do, more stimulus, QE3, or maybe not, hold back. We'll see. The following morning would be the ECB. They have promised to do whatever it takes to support the euro, making more risk on than risk off. We'll see if they can, actions speak louder than words. We'll see if that happens. And then the following day would be non-farm payroll, which is, in my opinion, the granddaddy of economic reports for the United States. And of course, we do need job creation. That's what's been holding us back. One of the political structures that they keep talking about for which presidential election and so on and so forth. Now, have said that, we're kind of 67 to 70% done with earnings in America. We probably hit about 60% better than the street anticipated or better than expectations. So that's been kind of decent. Personal income today was slightly better. Personal spending was a little worse. Housing was better than they thought, but still a negative number, 0.7. They were looking for probably negative 1.8. So these are all going to be minor when talking about the three major things, which is Ben Bernanke with the Federal Reserve, the ECB, and then non-farm payroll. There is chit-chat that the Bank of China might do more stimulus as well. So now you have a global effect of central banks doing something to help the economy and so on and so forth. So have said all that, we in the last 3 or 4 days have powered up dramatically. The last time I was talking on a technical point of view, I was using the September contract. I said we need to hold 1330, and we did. We powered up, and we ran like there was no tomorrow. Here we are around 1380-ish. Okay, we did break out of those resistance areas that I was talking about, 1375. So we're above that. We keep stopping around 1387. There obviously is resistance around the 1390 level. We'll be watching that to see if we can break through. Any one of those three that take action significantly should power the S&P September contract through those resistance level. If we get above 90, then 96, then 1406, then 1421 would be the ultimate big time target. At this level, we're up about 8 to 9% for the year in the S&P September contract. If we fail and we go underneath and close underneath 1375, then you should be looking at 1361. And then, of course, one of your minor levels last time for resistance when we were under 50 would be 1352. Old resistance, new support coming down. And then if that doesn't hold, of course, we will power our way down to 1346. A close under 1352 would give, we're right now in an uptrend. Short-term uptrend. If we close under 52, some people are saying 75, we would go into a sideways trend. Under 52, we would be sideways to slightly lower. And then obviously on the charts, if we close under 1346, we would definitely have the bears back in control and in a downtrend. Remember, you should be calling me, Jeff Friedman, for any market. Obviously I'm talking about the stock index futures, and I like primarily to talk about the S&P because it's the broad index, but I could talk about gold, I could talk about cocoa, I could talk about whatever you'd like on the fundamental and technical point of view. Give me a call, 800-826-4124. And remember always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, is not suitable for everyone. Good luck, good trading, give me a call.